Hi everyone! Today we are making Crab and Cucumber Sunomono, a salad with fake crab meat and sliced cucumber in a rice vinegar sauce. First, slice cucumber as thin as you can. Stir in salt and let sit for about 5 minutes. Meanwhile, pull apart crab sticks into thin strings. In a small bowl, mix rice vinegar, sugar, and soy sauce together until sugar dissolves. Squeeze water out from cucumber slices and put them in a bowl and add the crab meat and pour the vinegar mixture and mix well. Add some sesame seeds if you like. That's all. This is such a simple, refreshing side dish which goes very well with any kind of main dish. Hope you try it soon.
美味しい。
美味しいね。